Alright, so I've been getting a lot of interesting questions and comments that I think most people who wear this logo, this flag, represent this get. So I just want to answer this for people in my version, my terms. Okay. This is the true history of this. I get tired of people saying, "Hey bro, what's up? You a white supremacist?" What? You fucking retard. No, it's not racist, okay? This flag was stolen. Okay, right here. This Confederate flag, as we like to call it, some people call it the rebel flag. It was stolen by a group of people called the Dixiecrats down in the South in the 1940s. I don't remember, but it might have been 48. I'm not real sure. I don't have my numbers exact. But it was in the 1940s. The reason they stole the flag, because this flag originated in 1861, by the way. So you can see right here. The reason that they stole this flag, it's sort of because of what the flag originally meant. And originally it was the South against the rest of the United States, the Confederation. When you get more than 2 or 3, it becomes a confederation if you're sticking together on the same causes and principles and, whatnot. The South wanted to be free, the same way everybody says or knows that Texas can be its own state, its own country at any given time. The South was wanting to do that. So this is a variation of the American flag, people. Okay, this is a variation. It was originally the 13 circles for the the circle, 13 stars for the 13 colonies. Okay, but anyways, and then now it's changed up. But you see how it resembles? It's kind of sort of like our American flag, but it's an X, stars and bars. That was X, because X is kind of universal. No, right? That was saying to the U.S. Fuck you. We are the South. We want to be free from y'all's bullshit. We want to be free and sovereign. We want to be a confederation. That's why it's called the Confederate flag. The South won. Okay? They won on that shit. That's what this flag represents, okay? That's what it represents. It had nothing to do with any kind of racism, any kind of bullshit of any kind that deals with race. It didn't matter, but because the flag means a bunch of racist frickin' rednecks that couldn't even make themselves a 3-piece patch like some respectable people. No, the stupid ignorant bastards, what'd they do? They wear pillow sheets in cases. Woohoo, I'm Casper, I'm big and bad, and I'm a racist. Fucking idiots. But anyways, that's what they tried to take it. Well, since this flag means we don't like niggers, as they say, which I'm not racist, but hey, and we're putting it out there for educational purposes, alright? That's the deal. Well, you know what? This fucking flag has nothing to do with that other than them group of people taking and using it for that. Just like, you can steal any symbol that you want and use it for anything you want, but it's not right, and it's not proper, I could go put on a policeman's uniform and get a car and make it look like a police car and drive it around, but that means I'm like impersonating, right? I'm stealing the image of a police officer. I'm impersonating. That don't mean I am one. Well, okay. They use this flag because of its meaning and try to change it to say, it means racism. I don't know how to put all this shit into words, but man, I get this shit so much. Oh, are you racist? You white supremacist? You Aryan Brotherhood? What the fuck is wrong with people? Any respectable person that has an education knows this flag has nothing to do with racism. Many black people know. And I'm putting it out there just like that because I get a lot of black folks that think it is racist because they're not educated properly. But respectable black people with an education will stand beside you and tell you, no, there ain't nothing racist about this, because y'all know that too. Y'all know damn well it ain't racist. The racism is bullshit. I proudly wear my colors because where I'm from is the South. My family fought in that war in the 1800s, okay? I know my history. So you know what? If you don't like my flag, you can kiss my ass.